with PepsiCo. The demand for our product is growing, but our physical space and warehouses isn't. So we need to use digital twin to look for ways to get more out of what we already own.
Made Possible by PepsiCo is a branded series describing the journey and the future of PepsiCo, powered by a series of technology advancements and engaging with consumers in a very different way. As part of our transformation strategy, we are working with digital twins. Digital twins are a very powerful set of tools, specifically simulators, that can virtualize the physical environment and create digital replicas that allows us to rethink and reimagine a plant, a warehouse, to maximize every part of the space, to be able to ensure that the hardware and the software and the people work harmoniously in simulating millions and millions of data points to maximize the way we drive through efficiency. And we are really excited to show you all the great things we are doing with Digital Twin.
We operate in over 200 countries across the globe. We have nearly 300 manufacturing facilities, thousands of distribution centers. We need a different way to solve for our footprint and really reimagine how we operate both in manufacturing and in distribution. So a digital twin goes down to the millimeter in accuracy, where you can now simulate and play around and interact with that environment in a very different way. It's going to really help make sure that we leverage our capital at the highest level, but it also gives us the ability in locations that are already existing to really test and learn without impacting our day-to-day operations.
We are in a beverage facility that's outgrown the size of the production. We plan to leverage warehouse portion, convert that to a manufacturing facility so we can expand our production. Brand new lines are going to be added, and essentially this will become a mega center for all the beverage needs for the region. And then we are moving the product that we store here to a nearby warehouse. And we're also using digital twin to figure out how do we grow that facility in a way that allows us to increase flow. For the first time in US, the food and beverage are going to be under the same roof and even in the same racking. And because we know that both of those products goes to the same customers, this allows us to get to market faster with a higher service level.
When we think about digital twins, this tool is game-changing for PepsiCo. We're going to streamline our operations, make them more efficient, and make sure that whatever product our consumers want, where they want it, and how they want it, they're going to be able to get it.
What Made Possible means to me is truly achieving your full potential, bringing change, culture, and activities that can really transform PepsiCo. As we speak, already we are rolling out this capability in Latin America, in Europe, down to our plants and our warehouses, which then amplifies the consumer experience by providing superior products and services for everyone. I hope you all enjoyed learning about what PepsiCo does in this space, and I can't wait to share many more experiences about how we transform the world of manufacturing and consumer powered by the transformation agenda we have.